Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change account name Amazon Shopping on computer. So how to change account name Amazon Shopping on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Amazon application on your computer or laptop browser. And this is the initial display on Amazon Shopping. Next, just point the cursor to the upper left corner of the screen. Here there are several menus. And tap the Account and List menu here. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Manage Profile menu. And a menu like this will appear. Tap View on your account. Now here you will enter the Profile menu. To change the account name, tap this pencil icon. And this menu will appear. Then type the new name you will create. After finishing, tap Continue. Now here you can see the name has changed. So that's it, tutorial how to change account name Amazon Shopping on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.